Hey, what is up, guys? It is Card Shuffler 99 here, and today we're going to show you guys a really cool little card trick today. This is sort of like one of those mentalism sort of tricks that you guys can perform. Definitely impress your friends with it. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. Now, we are going to be starting a large-scale giveaway. This is going to be the 100,000 subscribers giveaway. If you didn't know, we're pretty much around 97,000 subscribers right now. We've been growing pretty quick lately, actually. So we're going to be doing a large-scale giveaway, the 100,000 subscriber giveaway, rather than our usual monthly giveaways. But with that being said, this giveaway is going to be much bigger. We are going to have you guys go ahead, comment down below some different prize ideas. We're going to make this one big. So what's going to happen is, to enter this, it's the same deal. You guys are just going to have to like the video, comment something down in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel. Turn your post notifications on and you guys are entered. Now, you guys can comment on every video from here on out until we hit 100,000 subscribers, and that will count. You will get an entry for every comment you post on a video. Now, you only get a maximum 1 entry per video, so if you guys comment on every video basically up until we get to 100,000 subscribers, you guys will get that many entries. So the more active subscribers out there will have more entries and a better chance of winning. Now, just some example prize ideas. We kind of want to go with that sort of 100 idea. Maybe we give away like 100 decks or something like that. Seems like a lot, but yes, you guys earned it for subscribing. We really thank you guys for that. So I do apologize for the long intro here, but just so you guys know, just go ahead, comment down some ideas, and we'll come up with something, and we'll get back to you guys on that. But don't forget to start entering. This is the 100,000 subscriber contest. All you guys got to do is, it's the road to 100K. So let's get to it. Anyway, let's get to the trick.
Adam, I want you to name any card in the deck.
Any card?
Yes, any card you want in the deck.
6 of hearts.
6 of hearts.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Positive.
I want you to choose a number. 1 or 2.
1 or 2?
Yes.
Let's go 2.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Okay. Here's what we're going to do. You chose the number 2. You chose the 6 of hearts.
100%.
I'm going to take the deck out of the box, and I'm going to show you 1, 2. The second card. You named any card you wanted to. Just happens to be the 6 of hearts. That is the trick, guys. We'll teach you in a little bit.
All right, guys, so I'm just going to talk really quick. So a lot of you guys might be looking at that. You might be thinking, hey, this trick might just be fake, right? It might be set up. I will tell you guys this is not set up. So what you guys are going to learn about this trick, and this is a really powerful trick. For example, guys like Blaine actually performed this trick. He did it on Jimmy Fallon. He did it on Stephen Hawking. And it uses this principle known as multiple outs. If you don't know what that is, it's essentially a technique that means so long as you know where the card is in the deck, you're going to create a different scenario for that card. For example, in that case, there's a specific stack that we have here that allows you to know where every card is in the deck. So because Robert knew that my card was second from the top, he went along and said, all right, for this scenario, I'm going to have him name 1 or 2. And that makes sense because, those are the first 2 numbers, right? 1 and 2. And he's going to do Magician's Choice, essentially. So, for example, if I had said 1, he would have been like, all right, maybe, you could do anything here. But you could say, for example, we'll count down 1 card and bam, right? That's it. If I said 2, which I did, he would have been like, your card's in the second position. So you guys can essentially create your own scenario for each and every card. You can do this on the spot, or you could essentially do the trick as is and just name the position that their card is in. That's already magic in itself. But just so you guys know, this is something that Blaine does do, where he comes up, uses multiple outs, and creates a different scenario. So that's something you guys can do. Be creative with it, and just have fun with that. So Robert's going to teach you guys the stack and how to use it.
Alright guys, so first I'm going to explain how you can set up the stack. Now, basically what this stack is the size step and stack. If you don't know what that is, it's basically where every card goes up by 3, so you add 3, And it goes in the order clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds throughout the entire deck. So this stack does look pretty random when you're spreading through it and you're showing it to the spectators, as long as you do some block pushes. And it really looks like all the cards are completely mixed up and random. In this stack, you cannot do any riffle shuffles. You can give the deck cuts, but you cannot do any riffle shuffles. And I'm just going to explain the easiest way to set it up. Instead of just looking for every card, what card's next, the 4 clubs, and then you gotta look through the entire deck, 7 hearts, going through the entire deck like that. I'm gonna explain a really easy way to do it. So just take your deck out, and you're gonna separate all the cards, clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, in order just like this. So clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, in order, and you're gonna put them king on top, ace on the bottom, facing up. So the king clubs is on the top, then the ace clubs on the bottom. Then the king of hearts is on top, facing you, facing up, like this. And then the ace of hearts is on the bottom. And you're going to do that with all 4 suits. From here, all you have to do is take the ace and bring it to the top of the clubs pile. Then from this pile, you're going to take the ace, the 2, the 3, the 4, and you're going to bring it on top of the hearts pile. And then you're going to take from the spades, ace through 7 and bring it on top of the spades pile, and then you're going to take ace through 10 and bring it on top of the diamonds pile. And basically from there, you would just simply take a card from the clubs, card from the hearts, card from the spades, and then card from the diamonds, and you just keep going in that order until the entire deck is finished. So clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, and that's the easiest way to set this trick up. So you might be wondering, how does this trick work, and how do you do it? So the easiest way, what I like to do is, after you've done the stack, bring the king of diamonds, 10 of spades, 7 of hearts, and 4 clubs to the bottom. It's an easy 4 cards to start with. I think it's the easiest. You can do this trick at like a different point, like at the 9 of clubs, but I'm just going to do it for the purpose of the tutorial at the king of diamonds. So for this trick, you need to know what 4 cards are on the bottom. I will always know the king of diamonds, 10 of spades, 7 of hearts, and 4 clubs will be on the bottom always. And you have your spectator name any card. And this is the math you're going to do in your head. This is a mathematical trick. So here's what's going to happen. I'm just going to do what Adam said. He named the 6 of hearts. What you're going to do is, because I know the 7 of hearts is here, I know it's one of the bottom 4 cards, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the card they chose, and I'm going to subtract it from whichever suit is on the bottom. So 7 of hearts, he chose 6 of hearts. 7 minus 1, or 7 minus 6 is 1. And then from there, after you do your subtraction, you're going to multiply it by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. We're great at math here on Card Shuffler 99. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to count, or in your head, you're going to count the amount of cards the actual card is, like right here, is from the bottom. So king of diamonds, 10 of spades, which is 2. 4 minus 2, guys, you might not believe it, it's 2. And that means it's the second position. So that's some serious math there, guys. So what you're going to do is, we're going to do a different card here. Let's say he chose the 8 of spades. What you would do is, these are the bottom 4 cards. Here's what you're going to do. So 10 minus 8 is 2. It's 2, guys. 10 minus 8 is 2. Multiply that by 4. 8. From there, you're going to subtract, well, only the king of diamonds is above 10 of spades, so minus 1 is 7. And we can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 of spades will be in the 7th position. Now, you guys might be wondering, what happens if, let's say they chose the 6 of clubs, or what if they chose the queen of clubs? What you would do there is, you're going to add 13. So I know the 4 of clubs is on the bottom. What you're going to do is, you're going to add 13 to the 4. So 13 plus 4 is 17. And they chose the queen, so 17 minus 12 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. And then 20 minus 1, 2, 3 cards in front of the 4 clubs is 17. 17th position. So if we count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Queen of clubs. You guys get the point. If you guys do cut the deck, let's say like at a different, like you can have the deck shuffled but only cut. You can just do the same thing but with these bottom 4 cards. So no matter what, so let's say you have them shuffle the deck, just make sure you spread out the deck and find out what the 4 bottom cards are, and you'll be fine from there. That is the trick, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. You can really fool your friends and family with this one. And yeah, this is Card Shuffler 99. We do math. Peace out.